Hello viewers, welcome to our channel Try to Learn. In this video, we will learn about correlative conjunctions. We will learn the exact conjunction words and we will also learn their uses with the help of examples. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button, and for more such videos, consider subscribing to our channel Try to Learn. A correlative conjunction are words that needs to be used in pairs and they correlate in order to make connections and provide equal importance to the points that are discussed in a sentence. Two words that are correlative are often used together but not usually used next to each other. Let's learn the examples. First one is either and or. Example. We can either go home or stay here. Next is neither and nor. He likes neither pizza nor burgers. Next, both and. Example, both Sarah and John are here. Next, not only and but also. Example, she is not only talented but also humble. Next, whether and or. Example, I am unsure whether to laugh or cry. Next is as and as. Example, he is as fast as a cheetah. Next, no sooner and than. Example, no sooner did I eat than I felt tired. Next is rather and than. Example, I would rather see an TV. Next, such and that. Example, it was such a storm that we stayed indoors. Next, scarcely and when. Example, scarcely had we started when it rained. Next, either and nor. Example, the idea was either flawed nor practical. Next, not only and but. Example, not only did he come, but stayed late. Next, both and like. Example, both teams played like champions. Next, so and that. Example, she was so tired that she fell asleep. Next, as much and as. Example, I love books as much as movies.